Understanding your dreams. Why do they stop?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into the realm of dreams. More specifically, we'll explore the question many of you might have asked yourselves. Is it common to stop having dreams, and if so, what might be the reason for that? Dreams can be mysterious, fascinating, and sometimes confusing. Let's unravel some of that mystery together.
Do we stop dreaming?
First off, let's clarify one thing. It's a common misconception that we may stop dreaming entirely. The truth is, every person dreams, every night. We dream during the rapid eye movement, REM, phase of our sleep cycle, which recurs multiple times throughout the night. However, just because we dream doesn't mean we always remember our dreams. So, when someone says they have stopped dreaming, it usually means they're not recalling their dreams upon waking.
Why don't we remember our dreams?
There are several factors that can affect our ability to remember dreams. Here are a few. 1. Sleep quality. Poor sleep quality or interrupted sleep can impact our dream recall. If we wake up before or after the REM sleep phase, we might not remember our dreams. 2. Lifestyle factors. Stress, anxiety, and certain medications can also affect dream recall. 3. Sleep disorders. Conditions like insomnia or sleep apnea can disrupt the normal sleep cycle, affecting our ability to remember dreams. 4. Age. As we age, our ability to recall dreams may diminish.
Can we improve dream recall?
Yes, we can. There are several strategies to enhance your dream recall. Here are some suggestions. 1. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. This can help regulate your REM sleep, increasing the chances of dream recall. 2. Keep a dream journal. Immediately upon waking, write down any fragments of dreams you remember. Over time, this habit can significantly improve dream recall. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help increase awareness and recall of dreams. In summary, everyone dreams, but not everyone remembers their dreams. A variety of factors can influence dream recall. However, with a few lifestyle changes and techniques, you can enhance your ability to remember your dreams. We hope this video has shed some light on the mystery of dreams and why you might not always remember them. Sleep tight and may your dreams be memorable.